the purpose of this event, actually, this is a Pasadang Pambarangay wherein pinagsama-sama yung buong district ng Quezon Hill. That's Victoria Village, Proper Quezon Hill, Upper Quezon Hill, Middle Quezon Hill, and Barangay Fairview. Linapit nila yung program, the medical missions and other services.
Usually, ang outcome nito is hindi mahirapan yung mga constituent na mag-avail ng mga services. Kumbaga, one-stop shop. Kasi nandito na lahat, social service, health service, and then yung mga counseling services, nandito na lahat. So, parang yung mga pupuntang mga client dito is hindi lang isang service ang marireceive nila, multiple services. So, yun ang advantage ng programa ang Pasadang Pambarangay.
For medical services, we have X-ray, and if they're positive for TB, diretso nang napapa-examine yung sputum niya. We also have mental health services. We have digital prostate cancer screening, breast cancer screening, cervical cancer screening. We have basic laboratory services like urinalysis, hemoglobin, and hematocrit. We have HIV testing. And we offer Ventosa for relaxation also. And then for social services, we have agencies from PhilHealth, from the police, BCPO. We also have from the City Legal Office, SSS. We also have smoke-free services pala. May libreng gupitet na binibigay.
Okay lang naman. Ayos naman. Kasi nadaan na naman po kami dun sa health center po. Kaso nag-try lang po kami dito para sa X-ray. Kasi sa X-ray po wala po.
Number one is free. Take advantage. Diba? Tsaka maganda ang kanila. Servisyo nila. They're friendly.